I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make salad Ethiopian easy method. Begin by chopping tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, and jalapeno. Remove seeds if you prefer less heat. Toss vegetables with lemon juice, olive oil, salt, and berber or mild spice to taste. Let salad rest for 5 to 10 minutes so flavors meld while you prepare injera or bread to serve alongside. Garnish with fresh cilantro and serve immediately or chilled for a bright and zesty side. Grab your ingredients and a large mixing bowl, and let's keep this simple and fun. Dice tomatoes and cucumber into bite-sized pieces and finely slice the onion and jalapeno. Measure lemon juice, olive oil, and berber so you can season quickly. Toss everything together gently so you don't crush the vegetables. Taste and adjust salt or spice, then let the salad rest briefly to marry the flavors before serving with bread or injera. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice for a fresh ride after market trips and grocery runs. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can pick one up easily. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Work steadily and enjoy the rhythm of simple prep. This keeps the salad vibrant and fresh. Combine lemon juice, olive oil, berber, and salt in a small bowl and whisk until smooth. Pour the dressing over the chopped vegetables and fold gently to coat without breaking them down. Always taste and tweak the seasoning, adding more lemon or spice as needed. Let the flavors settle for a few minutes before plating and serving with warm injera or bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.